How to turn off RGB on a Windows 11 or 10 PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Method 1. Configure RGB settings in BIOS or UEFI. You need to access BIOS or UEFI at startup. Restart your PC and press the designated key to enter BIOS or UEFI. This key varies depending on your manufacturer and could be F2, F4, F8, F10, F12, or the delete key. Refer to the user manual or the manufacturer website if you are unsure. Once in the BIOS, look for the option related to RGB lighting, customization, or LED control and disable the RGB setting from there. Save your changes, exit BIOS, and restart your PC to apply the changes. The availability of RGB setting in BIOS depending on your motherboard model. Method 2. Use manufacturer utility software. Visit the manufacturer's driver download website and search for the appropriate utility software. For example, Asus motherboards use Aura Sync, while MSI motherboards use Mystic Light. You can download and install the software, launch the utility software, and look for RGB control options. Disable RGB lighting or customize it as needed. This method also applies to peripherals like keyboards, mice, and GPUs. Check the respective manufacturer software for RGB control. By following this way, you can easily turn off RGB on a Windows 11 or 10 PC. That's it. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.